Now the chairman of Project Bula Mai, Mr. Adrian Schofield, and members of the project team, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, Nisam Bula Vinaka, Salam Alaikum, Namaste. It is indeed an honor for Andikoela and I to join you this evening in a project that is ultimately aimed at serving the community and saving lives. As the patron of St. John's Association in Fiji, I would like to thank the chair and members of Project Bula Mai for your benevolence towards St. John's in setting up a base in Nandi. This is a most welcome gesture by the community. We are all aware that St. John's is a non-profitable organization. In the past 75 years, since 1939, the association had and continues to provide ambulance services, courses, and instruction in first aid, CPR, and community services in the area of life-saving skills, health education, HIV and AIDS, and sexually transmitted diseases. Then there are as well disaster risk reduction and management workshops, school cadet programs, and public event standbys. However, the association is limited in its ability to extend its services permanently throughout Fiji. It relies on the goodwill of people, donor agencies, and government to sustain its work in helping the communities. So the effort to assist St. John's in having a permanent place in Nandi is indeed noble. I have no doubt that the services provided by St. John's will benefit the entire community within and around Nandi. For indeed, ambulance services are a crucial component of health services. As a developing nation, Fiji tries its best to deliver essential health services to its entire population. Government, without a doubt, will be most happy to work with St. John and members of the community in the provision of this much-needed ambulance service. Although as a nation we continue to face challenges on a daily basis, this should not deter us from working together as a community in taking ownership of our health and support organizations that readily respond to health issues and especially during times of emergencies. Ambulance services have been one of these challenges, and the establishment of the National Ambulance Decree in 2010 has paved the way forward for improving this service. The decree, amongst other things, safeguards the provision of ambulance services. Government is now looking at developing an ambulance policy to provide further clarity. Consultations with some stakeholders are currently underway, and it is anticipated that the policy will be ready by the end of the year. The ambulance policy will certainly enforce standardization of ambulance services nationally with clear standard operating procedures and guidelines. As of now, there are quite a number of ambulance services providers, such as the National Fire Authority, Airports Fiji Limited, private medical centers, and the hospital, to name but a few, with St. John being the historical provider. The St. John's Association in Fiji has a staff of 20 and currently operates 3 ambulances based in Suva. I am aware that whilst ambulance services are available in Nandi, the people are continually challenged financially to access this vital pre-hospital service. St. John's Fiji will endeavor to bridge this gap by ensuring accessibility and equity of high quality of services in saving lives in transition to curative health services in the Nandi area first, then to the Western Division as a whole. The expansion of these activities to the community will enhance and foster a transformed community with a high level of preparedness. In September 2014, Project Bula Mai donated $34,000 to St. John's Association to begin planning and preparations for setting up the Nandi base. The first step is to locate a suitable site or premises where the services of St. John's will be centered. Tonight's function will significantly add towards the implementation of this project. At auction time, I ask you to vigorously show your beneficence and your philanthropic support. The efforts of Project Bula Mai team must be greatly applauded. I am certain their help will continue to be appreciated by St. John's, Fiji, and all citizens of Fiji. And I reiterate that all contributions directed towards the project will not only benefit the entire community, but especially the disadvantaged and the less fortunate in society. I look forward to your support and to the establishment of St. John's presence here in Nandi. Thank you, Vinaka Magalevu, Shukriya, Bahut, Dayanavad.
My name is Andrew. I'm gonna win this competition because I'm a real Samoan. My body, natural. I've been judging in the sea, in the sky, and in the forest. That's enough for so nice!